Hello everyone, we have to discuss about that. हेलो एवरीवन, वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट दैट यूजीसी नेट पेपर 2023 क्वेश्चन नंबर 73 देख लेते हैं. Arrange the following. Arrange the following peasant movement in India in chronological orders and select the correct answer. Orders and select the correct answer from the quotes given below. C. सेकंड, पहले बारदोली, फिर तेभागा, फिर चंपारण और सिंदूर. Explanation. Question number 7. The correct chronological present of movement in India. चंपारण सत्याग्रह 1917, बारदोली सत्याग्रह 1928, तेभागा आंदोलन 1946-47, सिंगूर आंदोलन 2006. Question number 76. Question number 74. Identified the correct chronological order of development of event to realism in India. D. राजा राम रंजन कमेटी, आनंदपुर साहिब रिजोल्यूशन, वेस्ट बंगाल मेमोरेंडम्स एंड उंची कमीशन. Question number. The correct chronological orders of the event related to the federalism in India is. In India is Raja Mannar Committee 1969, Anandpur Sahib Resolution 1973, West Bengal Memo Random 1977, Punchi Commission 2007. Question number 75. Who describe Indian capitalism as the Dharamshala capitals? D. Raj Krishna. Raj Krishna was an Indian economist and who taught at the Delhi School of Economics. He is most famous for the famous Hindu rate of growth and which he coins for India, low rate of GDP growth. Between the 1950 and 1980, he also gave the concept of Dharmashala model. Question number 76. Which of the following is not associated with electoral reforms in India? Electoral reforms in India. C. N.N. Bohra Committee. Question number 7. N.N. Bohra Committee. The N.N. Bohra Committee was set up in 1993 and to look into the status of criminalizations of politics in India. It studied the nexus among criminals, politicians and bureaucrats in India. Question number 77. In India, the term the term deficits and financial was first defined by a first 5 year plan. 77 deficits financial practice in which the government spend करती है more money than it released as the revenue for the different being made up by the borrowing करती है और mining करती है new funds पे in India. This is introduced in first 5 year plan में. Question number 78. Which of the following types of the bureaucracy regards itself as the bureaucracy itself? Custodians of public interest but is dependent of and unrepresentative to public opinion. D. Guardians bureaucracy. The periodic election the प्लूटो कंसेप्ट ऑफ द फिलोसोफर्स किंग इज एंड द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द गार्डियंस होता है ब्यूरोक्रेसी का. दे वर कंसिस्ट करते थे द कॉन्स्टो कॉन्स्टोडियंस ऑफ जस्टिस एंड वेलफेयर ऑफ द कम्युनिटी को. एंड दिस टाइप में भी द डिफाइन करते थे स्कॉलस्टिक्स ऑफिशियलिशिडम ट्रेंड इन राइट्स कंडक्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्लासिक्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 79. Which of the following are the common features and between the 73 Constitution Amendment Act and 74 Constitution Amendment Act? B. Empower of the social and the economic big groups के लिए. Empower of the social and economic big groups के लिए. पीरियडिक इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ स्टेट इलेक्शन कमीशन जो होती है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ स्टेट फाइनेंशियल कमीशन एंड एम्पावर ऑफ सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिकली बैकग्राउंड का ग्रुप्स होता है. आर फ्यू कॉमन्स फीचर्स होते हैं ऑफ उसमें 73rd एंड 74 अमेंडमेंट एक्ट के तहत. क्वेश्चन नंबर 80. Which of the following are the statutory bodies? B. Official Language Commission. B. पहली यूनियन ग्रांट कमीशन. थर्ड रेलवे बोर्ड. फोर्थ एटॉमिक एनर्जी कमीशन. ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज कमीशन जो रहती इंडिया की इज ए द कमीशन विच वाज द कंस्टिट्यूटेड बाय द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया के द्वारा इन द परस्यूज टू द प्रोविजंस करती है स्टेट्स इन द आर्टिकल 344 को ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. हैंस इट इज़ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी रहती है एंड नॉट अदर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी उसमें डिवाइड रहती है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 81. Which countries refused to accept legally binding रहती emission को cut following the Kyoto Protocol. A. India. Bring the leaders of the developing world. Both India and the China rejected the binding करते थे emission principles of Kyoto protocols को. They asked for the principle of the common but the differential responsibilities होती है 82. Question number 82. Which leaders of the USSR introduced the policy of peaceful coexistence? B. N. Sachdev. N. Khrushchev. 82. The Soviet theory of the peaceful coexistence asserted that the United States and the USSR and their respective political ideology could coexist rather than the fighting one another, and the Khrushchev tried to demonstrate his commitment to peaceful coexistence. Question number 83. At the end of the Cold War, फ्रांसीस के द्वारा एंड फ्यूक्यूयामा कंस्ट्रक्टेड करते थे द दीज ऑफ एंड ऑफ हिस्ट्री एंड विच मीन्स. इसका मतलब क्या है? शी ideological struggles had comes to an end. Ideological struggle had comes to an end. The End of the History and the Last Man, written by the Francis Fukuyama in 1992, claimed that the end of the Cold Wars, the ideological struggle between the capitalism and the socialism ended. Question number 84. NATO Partnership for Peace programs was aimed at incorporating ex-Eastern Bloc state into the organization. The Partnership for the Peace (PFP) is the program of the practical bilateral cooperation between the individuals, Euro-Atlantic Partnership countries and NATO. It allows the partners to build up the individual's relationship with NATO, choosing their own priorities for cooperation. Question number 85. Which of the following event mentioned below is taken as the signaling the end of Cold War? B. Breaching of Berlin Wall in 1989. The fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989 was considered as the first nail in the coffin of Cold War. The end of the Cold War started with the unification of the Germany after the fall of the Berlin Wall. Question number 86. The renaming of the European Committees (EC) to European Union resulted from the significance of the Maastricht and Treaty formally. The Treaty on the European Union was signed on the 7th February 1992 by the members of the European Committees in the Maastricht and Netherlands to further European integration. It created the European Union. Question number 87. Which of the following is not a specific agency of the United Nations? D. OPEC. The Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries (OPEC) is the permanent intergovernmental organization created at the Date conference on the September 10 and to the September 14, 1960 by Iraq, Iran, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia and Venezuela. Now it has the 40 members हैं इसमें. It is not a specific agency of UN की specific agency नहीं है. It is the basically a petroleum cartel. Question number 88. Right means the power elite and 1956 it offered other general analysis of elite in D. Developed capitalism of USA. C bright means the power elite and 1956 it offered other general analysis of elite in USA. According to means the eponymous powers elite are those and that the occupy the dominated positions in the dominated institutions, military, economic and politicals of other dominant country and there's the decisions or lack of the decisions have the enormous consequences for not only for the US populations and but the underlying and population of the world. Talcott Parsons in his book on the concept of political power and elaborated power as money and persons juxtaposed the use of money in and the economic system to use of power. A political system thought out the article showing the similars in use of the both. Question number. Power is like either formulation by C. Talcott person. Catch all parties describe the most post Second World War party system is A. Western European. Read the following. In politics, A the big tent or catch all parties is a type of political parties that seeks to attract the voters from different point of views and ideologies. The party system in Western Europe after the Second World War represented the notions of catch all parties. 91. Which state was the first to adopt the Panchayati Raj system? C. Rajasthan. The Panchayati Raj system was first adopted by the state of Rajasthan in Nagaur district on 2nd October 1959. Question number 92. Which year's Panchayat Raj system was constitutionalized in India? D. 1992. Panchayat Raj system was the formalized in 1992 by the 73 amendment to the Indian Constitution. The 73 amendment contained the provision for the revolutions of power and representatives responsibilities to the panchayat both for the preparation of social economic development plan and the ability to levy and collect the appropriated taxes, duties and tolls and fees. Question number 93. The Panchayat Raj system in India has B. 3 tiers. In India, the Panchayati Raj system (PRI) now function as the system of the governance in which Gram Panchayat are the basic unit of the local एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, द सिस्टम हैज़ द थ्री लेवल्स: ग्राम पंचायत विलेज लेवल, मंडल परिषद और ब्लॉक समिति ऑफ द पंचायत समिति ब्लॉक लेवल, जिला परिषद डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 94। The election for the panchayat in India are conducted by B. State Election Commission of India. State Election Commission are constituted in every state after 73 and 74 Constitution Amendment. It is responsible for the conducting election for panchayat and urban local bodies. Question number 95. Which organization decides the distributions of the taxes between the state government and the Panchayati Raj system? B. State Financial Commission. State Financial Commission are constituted in every state after the 73rd and 74th Constitution Amendment. State Financial Commission decided the distributions of taxes between the state government and the Panchayati Raj system. Question number 96. The negative freedoms afford the notion of A. Unencumbered self. Berlin actually favored negative freedom because it means we are the master of our own destiny. Negative freedoms afford the notions of the unencumbered self, whereas the despotism is made possible when the state decided what is in our best interest. Question number 97. Who argued that the positives liability enables the individuals to take the control of their life? B. Isaiah Berlin. Isaiah Berlin argued and that the positive liberties and the enable the individuals to take control of their the life positive liberty and can therefore be understood to means the freedoms to perform an action of some descriptions. Question number 98. The role of the state must therefore be limited to that of either night watchman. This statement is supporting. B. Negative liberty. The goal of the negative freedom demand ए the limited role of the state का रहता है, whereas the positive freedom रहती है results में in other larger role for the state in the realism of the economic जो policy रहती है and classical liberals रहते हैं such as the Australians schools of the economist and exhort जो रहता है the virtues of the laissez-faire economics. The role of the state must रहता है therefore be the limited to that of other night and watchman to ensure that the legal contract रहता है are the upheld रहते हैं and the marketplace runs smoothly. Question number 99. The role of the is and the absolutely key रहती है dividing करती है line within the liberal thought between those on the right of the liberalism axis and those on the left. C. State. The role of the state is and the absolute key dividing lines and within the liberals thought and between those on the right of the liberalians axis and those on the left. Who among the following is and the supporters of negative liberal? D. Robert Nozick. Robert Nozick was a the new liberals. He did not believe in the idea of social welfare or state welfareism. In his the theory, he strongly supported by the negative ideas of liberty, which require minimum role of state.